Until I bought these USB-C to USB-C cables, I'd always looked for the cheapest ones I could find. I was sick of them either stopping working or looking too grubby too soon. These ones have been amazing. Now this one I'm showing you here, this is brand new, never used. I just had it in my drawer to break out once my old one died, which it did. But I hope you can see from my footage here, well, I'm no camera woman, mind, I hope you can see how nice the quality of this cable is. I decided to go for the 6.6 foot length, which is over 200 centimeters, which gives me plenty of reach. I don't have to sit it right next to an outlet, which makes working on my laptop or charging my phone from the couch way less annoying. If memory serves, I think I bought 2 of them in a pack. The other one that I'm already using is at the office. The braided design of this feels more durable than those flimsy cables that start fraying in a couple of months. This one is new, but I have used the other one for a while and I've not babied it. I've tossed it in bags, wrapped it up, and it still feels solid. They work consistently with all my USB-C devices, from my phone to my laptop, without randomly disconnecting or slow charging, and that reliability is the main thing I think we should care about with cables. But while they aren't cheap, I don't think these are ultra premium brand cables either. The price tag is not that serious. Or maybe they are and they're just a great deal? If so, all the more awesome. Recommend.